All right, problem number 5. So unlike problem number 4, problem number 5 basically reverts back to our general science strategy. So we're going to read the question and then we're going to read the answer choices. So let's get started. Based on the results of study 2, would a finch with a beak depth of 9.4 millimeters or a finch with a beak depth of 9.9 millimeters more likely have had a greater chance of survival during 1977? So the clues I can get here is we have a year 1977. So if you look at your experiment, that points to only one chart, which is figure 3. And then also they're giving beak depths comparing 9.4 millimeters and 9.9 millimeters. And this chart has both the years and the average beak depth. So let's read the answer choices. So remember, the question is, would a finch with a beak depth of 9.4 millimeters or a finch with a beak depth of 9.9 millimeters have had a greater chance of survival in 1977? So A, a finch with a beak depth of 9.4 millimeters because on average the size of available seeds is larger during dry years. B, a finch with a beak depth of 9.4 millimeters because on average the size of available seeds is smaller during dry years. C, a finch with a beak depth of 9.9 millimeters because on average the size of available seeds is larger during dry years. Or D, a finch with a beak depth of 9.9 millimeters because on average the size of available seeds is smaller during dry years. So if you look at this, it basically has a split between first 9.4 or 9.9. So which one do we pick? Let's go to our chart. So if we go to 1977, the year in question, here's 9.4 and here's 9.9. And we see right here it's 9.8, so a lot closer to 9.9 than 9.4. So we can get rid of A and B right off the bat. So C and D say 9.9, and then the reasoning is a little bit opposite. This size, it says because the size of available seeds are larger during dry years, or the size of available seeds smaller during dry years. So if we look at the text above, it says during dry years, all seeds are less abundant, and the average size of the available seeds is larger. So we can cross out D because right here it says the size of available seeds is larger. So that leaves answer choice C. And that's it. I'll see you for question number 6.